1,000-meter race is on the way. We have Tangs Dynasty. Don Ronaldo is by now. Next in line, Tito Aru on Leonis Racing Import. Then followed by Magic Chant as they race at the 600. Tito Aru now takes up the running over Tangs Dynasty, followed by Don Ronaldo on Leonis Racing Import. Magic Chant is sorry outside as they rounded up 450 with Tito Aru, the one to catch up, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Running in second is Don Ronaldo on Leonis down on the inside, and out of stretch they come. We have Tito Aru, Don Ronaldo pressing up on the outside. On Leonis is Barbarel. Don Ronaldo, Tito Aru on Leonis down on the inside. Don Ronaldo doing the battle over Tito Aru, and finally Don Ronaldo, Tito Aru on Leonis, Magic Chant, Vergara, Zeniales, Tangs Dynasty.